here. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about everything to do with hair, beauty, and DIYs. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I recreated this wig right here that I got from Curlkalon. It is a very cute tapered cut. I love it. I actually made this wig a year ago and I just never posted it, but look at it. The curls are still bomb. It's such a cute wig. It's still a wicked wig. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I recreated this wig, then just stay tuned and let me go.
Okay, so what you're going to need is a latch hook, a pair of scissors, a mannequin head, the Curlkalon hair, and the weaving dome cap. So this is one of the hair pieces and I'm just separating it into two and putting one side down, and then I'm separating it again into two, and then putting that other piece down, and then separating it for a third time, and then starting to do my latch hook. Okay, so grab your latch hook, insert it through 2 to 3 holes of your hairnet, place a piece of hair on the hook and close the lever, and then pull the hair through the holes. Remove the latch hook, grab the hair and place it through the loop, crisscross the loop, and then grab the hair again and then pull it taut. So this is what it looks like after 1 pack of hair. And this is what it looks like after 2 packs of hair. And I did do longer pieces in the front, so this is what it looks like after 3 packs of hair, and I am going to be cutting it also anyways to style it. So for the top portion of the hair, I just separate the hair twice instead of 3 times, and I do the same routine as before, where I grab my latch hook, insert it through 2 to 3 holes of my hairnet, place a piece of hair on the hook and close the lever. Then I pull the hair through the holes, remove the latch hook, grab the hair and place it through the hoop, crisscross the loop, and then grab the hair again and then pull it taut. So this is just a closer look of me doing the same process over again. Now that I'm complete, I'm just cutting my hair to the desired length that I want, and I'm just going really slow because I don't want to mash it up or anything and make it look crazy. So I'm just going real slow, but in the next clip I'm just going real fast just for the video's sake.
So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.